We are around 7 billion people in this world. If you're lucky or a Peace Corps volunteer, you meet around 0.00001% of the population. Imagine you're a bird, used to flying known winds. But one day, the waves of the ocean seduce you, and you dive into the unknown. Lost in the depths where you don't know anyone. You see things you haven't seen before, but you try to mix, integrate, belong. But how do you do that?
Where do you even begin? Day one, I'm a stranger. Day two, I am family. So I was like, okay, they're welcoming a new person. That has not changed in 20 months.
When I go to the villages, only the way the people welcome me, I just start to shed tears because most of the time when I go out and I see the little children singing and then I see their situation, I always weep.
I've never felt that before in any other community. I went to a huge cry-dye my first day in the village. Right away, I was just like grabbed in, like swallowed by the village, and they were just like, you are welcome. You are highly welcome.
Hospitality isn't about like being welcomed into a physical building. It's about the relationships that you're building with people. So like something Cameroon has taught me is that home is not a place, it's a feeling. My most amazing times here in Cameroon are when I'm just sitting with her, she's selling fish and she's laughing and joking and we're just together. And it feels like home. And I'm not anywhere near what the home I grew up in would be like, but the feelings that she gives me, she's my mama.
Here in Cameroon, the fish welcome the swimming birds as their
Vamos, ya, vamos. Wiki, wiki,